I used to really dislike breakfast. I'm not really sure why. I would just wake up and not be very hungry in the morning. I can remember being in middle school and trying to force myself to just eat an apple on the bus, and I would end up feeling nauseous from it. And somewhere along the way, as I became an adult, I would start to eat a little more breakfast here and there. But again, it just wasn't my favorite meal of the day. I didn't really care for it. I much more preferred lunch and dinner. But now I'm a breakfast girl. I'm a morning routine girl. I'm here for it and I love it. I focus on getting a lot of protein in throughout the day, typically about 100 grams at least. And one of the best ways to do that is starting the day off with a nice strong breakfast. So I wanted to share 3 breakfast ideas with you all that were high in protein. All the recipes are going to be written out down below. And I like to try and make fun breakfasts and fun things, and I like to try and do different stuff, keep it interesting. Something that I've learned along the way to make your meals higher protein is to have not just 1 or 2, but multiple sources of protein within your meals. So a good way that I like to do that is I have my main protein source, and then I have secondary protein sources. So for example, you could say in the wrap that I'm making, the vegan turkey is the main protein source, but those Joseph's lavash wraps are going to be the secondary protein source. And that helps you to really amp up and hit your protein goals. Getting protein as a vegan is not hard. For some reason, people have overcomplicated this to no extent, and I'm not really sure why. Because first of all, we don't even need as much protein as people think we do. It just depends on your own fitness goals and everything like that. Everyone is totally different, but at the end of the day, it just takes a little 5 extra minutes of planning and you can hit all your protein goals as a vegan. And I wanted to share these breakfast ideas with you all to really just help and give you some fun recipes and fun ideas. It's probably one of the number one things I get asked is, what do I eat for breakfast and how do I get in my protein? So I really wanted to help you all out with these recipes, and just remember to keep it fun, to try different things, incorporate different flavors. I started making these Just Egg inspired chilaquiles, which are not authentic. I'm not claiming they are in any way, shape, or form, especially not with the cooked lentils in there, but they're really delicious and they're fun, and they're a fun way to eat things and have different flavors and just do different things. There's so many breakfast foods out there, but I think we all get stuck into thinking oatmeals and smoothies are the only things that vegans can eat for breakfast, which is not the case. I've also become a major fan of protein cereals because they're delicious. Who doesn't love cereal? And they're another easy way to get in protein. They're a little salty, sweet combo, if I have something savory and then I have my little sweet cereal, add in some fruit, and it's really delicious. So don't be intimidated. You've got this. And if you try these recipes out, let me know. They're down below.